Did you know that a tiny rock chip can turn into a spider web across your entire windshield in less than 24 hours just because of a change in temperature? It's a terrifying and expensive reality for most drivers, but today we are diving into the ultimate DIY solutions to save your glass and your wallet. All the links are in the description below, so make sure to check those out as we count down the absolute best windshield repair kits of 2026. 6. Lomine Windshield Repair Kit 2-Pack. Coming in at number 6 is the Lomine Windshield Repair Kit, which is an absolute lifesaver for multi-car households or anyone prone to bad luck on the highway. This kit uses a cutting-edge 2025 nano resin formula that boasts a 97% light transmittance rate, which basically means the repair is going to be virtually invisible once you're done. What makes Lomine a solid contender in our comparison is its 2-pack value. While the industry standard Rain-X kit usually gives you enough for a few small spots, Lomine doubles down on the hardware and resin, making it much more convenient if you have two cars with damage. The setup uses a reinforced injection head and a suction cup pedestal designed to create a vacuum that sucks the air out of the crack before forcing that high-penetration liquid deep into the glass. In real-world testing, it handles temperature swings from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit beautifully, ensuring the bond doesn't fail when the seasons change. It's perfect for those annoying bullseyes and star cracks, and you can finish the whole job in about 20 to 30 minutes. However, it's worth noting that if your crack is longer than 12 inches, this might not be the heavy hitter you need. I really love how beginner-friendly the injection head is because it prevents those annoying air bubbles that usually ruin a DIY job. What do you think? Is a 2-pack a must-have for your garage, or is one kit enough? Let me know in the comments. This is a fantastic, cost-effective preventative measure that looks professional without the professional price tag. Just remember, you'll need some good old-fashioned sunlight or a UV lamp to get that resin to cure properly, as it won't harden in the shade. 5. Rain-X 600001 Windshield Repair Kit. At number 5, we have the legendary Rain-X 600001, often considered the gold standard for DIY glass maintenance. This kit is specifically engineered to arrest the spread of stone chips and restore that crisp visual clarity we all need for safe driving. The Rain-X system stands out because its resin formula is actually designed to be stronger than the original glass once it's fully cured, which is a bold claim that holds up in real-life scenarios. When comparing this to something like the Nasi Loop kit, Rain-X feels a bit more refined in its chemical composition, offering a near-invisible finish that restores up to 95% of the original optical clarity. It features a specialized suction cup repair device and a single-component resin that requires zero mixing, making the process relatively straightforward. However, it does require a bit of a technique to master the pressure vacuum cycle. If you don't get the air out first, you'll see a faint outline of the chip. It's ideal for round damage under an inch and cracks shorter than 12 inches. One of the biggest pros here is the capacity. You get enough resin and curing strips for multiple repairs, which is a huge win for commuters. I've seen this kit save hundreds of dollars by stopping a tiny chip from becoming a full-blown replacement job. Have you ever had a small chip turn into a massive crack overnight? Tell me your horror stories below. It's a proactive tool that every car owner should keep in their trunk. Just keep in mind it won't work if the dirt has already settled deep into the crack or if it's reached the inner plastic safety layer. 4. Malafox 2025 New Windshield Repair Kit. Taking the number 4 spot is the Malafox 2025 New Windshield Repair Kit, a versatile powerhouse that goes beyond just your car. This kit utilizes an upgraded nano resin with a massive shear strength of 20 pascals, which is significantly stronger than many entry-level kits. What really sets Malafox apart in this lineup is its multi-surface compatibility. You can actually use this on mirrors, home windows, and even some digital screens in an emergency. When you compare it to the Rain-X kit, Malafox offers a slightly more robust resin volume in its 2-pack configuration, which gives you more room for error if you're a first-timer. The injection bridge mimics professional-grade equipment, using a pressure vacuum system to ensure the high-transparency liquid fills every microscopic crevice. This is crucial for preventing the damage from spreading due to road vibrations or temperature changes. The application is a quick 20-minute process, and the result is a permanent bond that is almost impossible to spot. It's an ideal recommendation for the cost-conscious driver who wants a proactive insurance policy against highway debris. The main thing to watch out for is that, like most of these, it requires UV rays to finalize the bond, so don't try to use it in a dark garage. Does the idea of a kit that works on your phone screen and your car appeal to you? I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. It's an exceptional value for the money, especially considering the professional-level bonding strength you get for such a low price point. 3. Loop Windshield Repair Kit 2-pack. Moving on to number 3, we have the Loop Windshield Repair Kit. This is the go-to budget-friendly solution that doesn't compromise on the science of the repair. It uses an advanced polymer resin that bonds at a molecular level, matching the refractive index of your glass to ensure that once the repair is done, your vision remains unobstructed. In our comparison, Loop offers a distinct value advantage over the big-name brands by providing a 2-pack at a price that usually only gets you one kit elsewhere. The high-speed curing formula is specifically engineered to be non-yellowing, which is a common complaint with cheaper resins. The suction cup pedestal and resin chamber provide a universal fit, though you have to be a bit careful with the seal. If it's not perfectly flush, you might lose some resin during the pressure cycle. It works best on fresh, clean chips under an inch in diameter. If you wait too long and let rain repellent or dirt get in there, no kit will work perfectly, but Loop does a great job of penetrating even tiny micro fissures. It's a solid, reliable tool for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's safety and aesthetic. Do you prefer going with a well-known brand like Rain-X, or are you willing to try a high-value alternative like Loop? Let's chat in the comments. It's an excellent way to stop a spiderweb crack before it starts, and the fact that it comes with 2 full sets of materials means you're covered for any one. The next rock that flies your way. 2. Clamper Windshield Repair Kit 4-pack. Finally, at number 1, we have the ultimate powerhouse, the Clamper Windshield Repair Kit. This isn't just a kit, it's a full 4-pack system that completely changes the game by including something almost no other consumer kit offers: a dedicated UV curing light. This is a massive advantage because it means you can perform a professional-level repair in your garage, at night, cloudy day, without waiting for the sun to cooperate. The clamper system uses a high-penetration nanoresin with a 20 Pascal shear strength and a 95% light transmittance rate, making it one of the strongest and clearest options on the market. When you compare it to our number 5 pick, Rain-X, the clamper package provides 4 times the resin volume and the essential UV lamp for a similar price range. The enhanced injection head and vacuum pressure pedestal ensure a consistent seal, which drastically reduces the risk of resin leakage. This is the ultimate insurance policy for any driver. Whether you're dealing with bullseyes, star cracks, or spider webs, the 4-bottle configuration means you can help out your friends, family, or just be prepared for a very unlucky road trip. It's robust, it's comprehensive, and it's the most reliable way to ensure your resin cures perfectly every single time. Which of these features is most important to you? The UV light, the amount of resin, or the price? I'd love to see your rankings in the comments. That wraps up our deep dive into the best windshield repair kits of 2026. If this helped you decide how to save your windshield, please hit that like button and subscribe for more expert product comparisons. All the links are in the description below if you're ready to grab one for your car. Don't wait until that chip turns into a $1,000 crack. Fix it today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.